Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Yahoo email account and provide full guide. Simply at first open your Yahoo Mail apps, then you get this interface. Press on sign in with Yahoo or sign it with Google and press on to sign up. To continue, you get create a Yahoo account dashboard. Enter full name and write last name. Enter Yahoo mail address. Okay, and select password option. Enter strong password. Okay, if you want to check password, just press on to I option. Then showing it to password. Select date of birth. Press on next. Okay, and enter phone number for verification. Press on right mark. Click on. Okay, and you get a verification code. Press on next. Now successfully create an email account. That's it.